Hello traders, and welcome to a practical Vedanta and Trading video series. Still Alpan here, founder of Master Markets Elite Trades Conference and Traders Open Day. So today's topic is going to be on 3 simple steps for consistent execution. Right, so what are these 3 simple steps? The first step, traders, is based on the 3 personalities we have. So the first thing is on the intellectual part of us, right? So the intellectual conviction must be there in your strategy to prove itself to be profitable over a cumulative set period of trades and time. That's the first thing, so the intellectual conviction. Now the intellectual conviction that this must happen must be based on a recurring, consistent logic which answers the question very firmly and confidently of why the strategy must continue to work. Now this is one of the most important questions that Ray Dalio continuously asks himself, and Ray Dalio is the biggest hedge fund manager with $160 billion in assets. So that's the first thing. A recurring logic the strategy must be built on to answer the question of why must it continue to work. Now the second thing, traders, is your emotional stability for consistent performance. Now, the emotional stability can be achieved with your trading purpose based on a higher ideal, which leads to sublimation. Let me explain. So this higher ideal can be something which is just not based on yourself, but on a higher group of people and community, okay, that benefits more wider society. So that's the second part. So the emotional stability can come for the purpose of trading being a higher ideal towards a wider community is what we are looking for. And that will lead to sublimation of your likes and dislikes and also prevent you from impulse trading. Right, then the last part is what we say is the stats review. Constantly monitor your stats to see how it's performing in real time compared to your backtesting results that you've got for your strategy performance. Okay, so these are the 3 things: your intellectual conviction, based on a recurring logic, and why does it continue to work? The second thing, based on a higher ideal, which leads to sublimation. And the third thing is a stats review of monitoring how your performance is of present compared to your past backtesting. Monitor it, and then you will know when to optimize it and when not to do it, and just let it smooth sail. Now these are the 3 simple steps for consistent performance, which will, of course, derive consistent execution for you too. Alright, so there's a lot to take in. Do contemplate all this information, and as we always say, till the next time, stay disciplined, follow your trading plan, and keep trading like a master.